This is how intent-based data can change your meta campaigns. Here it is on the screen. I'm going to show you exactly what we did step by step. So it started with a list that I created, which was this list right here on December 8th. At 9 a.m. I created a list of people who are wealthy. This was for a matchmaking client, very high end, works with very wealthy people, and they pay a lot of money, like close to six figures per year. And so I got 5,000 people that matched the psychographics and demographics, and we downloaded that list. I then uploaded that list into Meta for audience targeting, which was to replace what we were previously using, which was what Meta was giving us. We created a lookalike audience using that data, and it found a whole bunch of other people that it said were within 1% of the similarities of this list that we created based on our data system at LeadEagle. Now take a look at what happened with the leads. By the way, previously with what Meta was giving us, we were getting like people who were not able to afford this service, and they were just really trash leads like that Meta was trying to give us. I'm not going to show personally identifiable information here, but there's like a first name you can see, but these are all the leads that were coming in before. Okay, so then here's right here, this is where we started targeting with the this list. And if you look over here, let me just go over right here, you can see these are the goals of the people. Let me slide this over a little bit. Okay, so these are the goals of the people that long-term, it's a matchmaker, so they want people that are interested in long-term relationships, marriage. Any of these are okay, but you can see there's a lot of long-term relationship and marriage in there. And most importantly, they can afford it. Here's the income. And this is much different than what we saw before. Because I fed it data from people that were making a lot of money, these are the people that we got. And by the way, people say all the time, you can't get wealthy people on Meta. That's not where my audience is. I have every client that I have that targets like wealthy people, they say this to me. It's like, that's not true. They're on here. And they're also on TikTok, but I digress. So here you go. You've got 1 to 5 million, right? We've got also business owners. This person was being a smart ass and put custodian, but everybody else was like investment banker, CFO, CEO partner, self-employed. I don't know what very good is. Doctor, CEO. This is what we should be seeing. This is this client's target demographic, and you can see that the income support what she's charging, which is a significant amount of money. And that's how easy it is. And so if you're struggling with Meta, you're not alone. That people do it all the time. Meta tends to just drift into like really poor audiences that it targets. And if you can find the right audience and you know that they're the right audience, and you can download that and then you can upload it into Meta, that's the way to go. Whether it's pulling them from your website or it's pulling them from people online that have been identified by a platform like ours as intent-based leads that match a certain criteria, that's all you got to do. And in many cases, that's going to solve your audience targeting problems on Meta. If you want to see how it works, I'm happy to do a free demo with you. You can just book at the link below or go to the one in my bio and we can set up a time to talk. And I can even show you exactly how many people meet your ICP in the past 7 days or up to 10 days. You can see the exact number of people that we could actually pull out of the system like right now or at any given point in time.